Hi, this is Alex and welcome back to another episode of CEC Tips and Tricks, where we'll be answering some of the common questions that we get. This week's question comes from Hong Kong and they're asking what's the best way to achieve front-to-back registration with the C9200. This is a great question, so let's see how our operator handles this in CEC. There are two main methods that we use here in CEC. The first is manual adjustment. How this works is we first print the test chart which comes together with the printer, and we make measurements on different parts of the test chart. We then enter the values obtained into the printer, and after which we do a test print to check the results. If the values were measured and input correctly, we should have accurate front-to-back registration. The benefit of using this process is that with a skilled operator, there's little paper wastage and the whole process can be completed relatively quickly. The downside is that, as this is a manual process with very fine margins, there is a relatively high chance of human error, which results in resources being wasted. We would use this method when we need to print samples but have a limited supply of media. The second way is using the auto-registration feature. This feature is available in both the C9200 as well as the C7200, so this applies to both machines. With this, you load up the machine with your media and you let the machine do the front-back registration automatically. This method is fast and also accurate, as it removes the chance of human error. Once the process is completed, we check to see if we're happy with the results. If there are any minor adjustments required, the printer will prompt the operator to input certain values for fine adjustments, and registration is complete. The only downside to using this method is the paper usage. To complete the process, it requires 31 sheets of media. In most situations, we would use auto-registration as long as there's no media constraints. This allows us to achieve accurate results quickly. I hope this answers the question and that now you have a better idea of how we handle front-to-back registration. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe and I'll see you soon.